If you enjoy our content, please hit that like button and share this video with your friends.
Make sure you stay tuned until the end for some exciting updates, and don't forget to drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below.
Embark on a journey through the graphical user interface realm with tkinter, our trusty steed. Simple dialogue. Our herald, fetching the secrets destined for encoding. PyLibDM text. The enchanter, transmuting text into cryptic matrices. Pill. The alchemist, transforming raw data into visual splendor.
Laying the cornerstone. Our main window, a canvas for our digital alchemy. The canvas, a realm where pixels align to manifest our data matrix.
A button, the wand by which we invoke the encoding spell.
A vessel for our creation, awaiting the birth of a data matrix. The incantation begins. A dialogue emerges, beckoning for the data to encode.
The matrix listens, but only to those who speak.
Silent calls fade into the void. The ritual unfolds. Text transforms, adopting the guise of a data matrix.
Transmogrification. Our matrix, now tangible, transits to tkinter's visual plane. Revelation. The canvas, once blank, now bears the mark of your encoded whisper.
Summoning the main window, the stage upon which our tale of encoding unfolds.
With a flourish, the main loop is invoked, breathing life into our application. Alright, we've just seen the program in action and checked out the results. If you found this useful and enjoyed the content, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share with others who might benefit.
For more in-depth support or engineering consultancy services, head over to eprogrammer.com.
Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.